up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the IROC. It's developed a small coolant leak. It just seeps a little bit when it's parked here. So we're going to pressurize the system and see if we can find that leak. So I picked up this pressure tester from Astro Tool. It allowed me to apply pressure to the system without starting it. And I bought this adapter for your standard radiator cap. Alright, so I'm just going to remove the radiator cap. First, I'm going to check the pressure, just turn up slowly. I don't want to overpressurize the system right off the bat. So right now it's only at 5 psi, so I'm going to connect the pressure tester. And we'll turn up the pressure. We'll go to 15 psi. All right, well, it looks like we found a couple of leaks of a radiator hose. I can't tell if that's the lower radiator hose leaking or if that's just some residual from removing the cap. So we're just going to go ahead and tighten the upper radiator hose. Oh yeah, it feels a little loose. It's from sitting over time, it's backed off. Now we'll pressurize the system again and recheck it. All right, so we still got some seepage happening here, and this is the side I was originally seeing it on. I was hoping it was that upper radiator hose, but I don't like the looks of this radiator. So I'm just going to go ahead and order a radiator for it.